Hi, I'm Heath Offpower, Vice President Hanko Boats, and today I'm out here test running our 2096 CCFB. 2096, the model code stands for the dimensions of the boat. This boat is 20 foot long from the bow to where the motor's mounted on the stern. It is 7 foot wide at the bottom. It is 96 inches wide at the top. So the beam is 96 inches or 8 foot. This is our flat barge set up for surface drives, a commercial surface drive boat. Starting in the front, telling you about the boat, it has the push knees. It's all 3/16, 24-inch sides. This is a lower sided boat. It's a barge, it's completely sealed. So 3/16 sides, 3/16 bottoms. We have our corrugations on the sides and the bottom. All your top decking is 3/16 as well, with the structure in it. Lift and eye cleat combination so they can grab it, put it on the barge, on a big barge. All flat deck, everything drains overboard. We have our front collision bulkhead. We have our midship bulkhead, so we have a compartment, and then we have the rear compartment to the back. It's sitting on our tandem axle trailer. Heavy duty tandem axle trailer, which has the extra cross members, is set up as a commercial setup. Very heavy duty to go down the road. If you come to the back, you can see how we have the motors mounted. Now these are the X40 ProDrives. This is a very nice engine because it has reverse. You can reverse the propeller and you can reverse the whole outdrive. So they really knocked it out the park with this design. So you can swing the whole unit all the way around. You have full throttle reverse, or you can just click it, engage the clutch, put it in reverse if you just have some basic docking to do. Okay, here I am at the console. I'm going to show you how the motors operate. You have a key switch for each motor. Turns them on. This is a lock for when you go into full power reverse and rotate the lower units. You would have to engage this. You have your power trim for both motors, individual motors. This is for the outdrives to spin them 360 degrees. I'm sorry, this is for your outdrives when you spin them 180 degrees. So I'm gonna crank up the motors. You have a digital tack. They're a little different than traditional outboard motors. So walk right here and turn to the back. Let me show you how this works. Show the outdrives. They're in the forward position right now. So all you do is shift it like a traditional outboard motor, forward, neutral, and it has standard reverse like you're used to. Now, turn around and face the console. To get the lower units to spin, first you're going to have to pull the locking mechanism here. On one, pull the locking mechanism on two. You're going to press the key switch in, and then you're going to spin it. Show the motor in the back. Show that lower unit. It's spinning the outdrive all the way around. You'll repeat the procedure on the second motor. Show the console here. So you're going to push the key switch in, and I'm going to spin the lower unit. Show the lower unit spinning. Now that it's in full power reverse, when I put it in forward, it's actually going to go in reverse, and you can use the trim hold on to the rail a little bit. Back to the console. Now when I put it in reverse, that is now forward when the lower units are spun 180 degrees. This is very cool. You can go in solid mud and get in a stuck situation and take off backwards out of it. I'm going to reverse the procedure and put it back into forward mode. I'm going to press in, and I'm going to spin lower unit number one. I'm going to press in, I'm going to spin lower unit number two. That is the coolest thing I think I've ever seen. I want to show the steering locks. You may have skipped that with this knob right here. When you pull that cord, it engages this lock so the motors can't jump up. So I'm going to pull this and show the lock. See how it locks it down? That's for the reverse feature. That must be locked in when you spin the lower units and go full power reverse. And that's pretty cool.